Have you ever stared out at the vast, endless ocean and wondered what secrets lie hidden in its darkest, most mysterious depths? We often look to the stars for alien life, but what if the most alien world on our planet is right here, buried miles beneath the waves? Today, we're diving deep, deeper than any mountain is tall, into the Mariana Trench, a place of crushing pressure, absolute darkness, and freezing temperatures. This is the story of the abyss and the shocking discoveries that forced scientists to rewrite the very definition of life on Earth. Imagine a world so remote, so hostile, that for centuries we believed nothing could survive there. The pressure in the Mariana Trench is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. It's like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on every inch of your body. Sunlight is a distant memory. The abyss is a realm of eternal night. For a long time, this was the accepted truth. The deep sea was a barren, lifeless desert. But science is all about challenging what we think we know, and what we found when we finally reached the bottom turned everything on its head. The journey began with remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, our robotic eyes in the deep. As these incredible machines descended past the sunlit zone, past the twilight zone, and into the midnight zone, the world outside their cameras transformed. The familiar, colorful fish of the upper ocean disappeared, replaced by creatures that seemed to be ripped from the pages of a science fiction novel. We saw fish with translucent skin, their internal organs visible. We saw predators with giant, gaping mouths lined with needle-sharp teeth, using bioluminescent lures to attract unsuspecting prey in the pitch black. It was like entering another dimension. But the most mind-blowing discoveries weren't just the large, bizarre creatures. Scientists began analyzing samples of the seafloor mud and the water itself. What they found was a thriving, bustling ecosystem, but not as we know it. Down here, life isn't powered by sunlight through photosynthesis. Instead, it's powered by chemistry. This process, called chemosynthesis, is truly alien. Vents on the seafloor, known as hydrothermal vents or black smokers, spew superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust. It's a toxic brew for us, but for the life here, it's a feast. Colonies of giant tube worms, some over 6 feet long, with vibrant red plumes, have no mouth and no digestive system. They survive thanks to a symbiotic relationship with bacteria living inside them. These bacteria take the toxic chemicals, like hydrogen sulfide, which smells like rotten eggs and is poisonous to us, and convert it into energy. The worms provide a safe home for the bacteria, and the bacteria provide food for the worms. It's a perfect partnership, a biological marvel that exists completely independent of the sun. It proved, for the first time, that life could find a way in the most extreme, seemingly uninhabitable places. And the deeper we went, the weirder it got. At the very bottom of the Challenger Deep, the deepest point in the trench, we found something called xenophyophores. These are giant, single-celled organisms. Let me repeat that. Single-celled organisms, but they can grow up to 10 centimeters across. They look like delicate, intricate sponges, and they build their fragile shells from the sediment around them. Discovering a single cell of this size is like finding a microbe you can hold in your hand. It challenges our fundamental understanding of what a cell can be and what its limits are. Then there's the Mariana snailfish. This little creature, looking soft and ghost-like, is the king of the abyss. It holds the record for the deepest living fish ever found, thriving at depths of over 8,000 meters. How does it survive the crushing pressure? Its body is different. It doesn't have scales. Its skeleton is made of flexible cartilage, not brittle bone, and its cellular structure is filled with special molecules that protect its proteins from being crushed. It's not just surviving the pressure. It has evolved to depend on it. If you brought a Mariana snailfish to the surface, its body would literally fall apart. It is a true child of the deep. This revelation has profound implications, not just for marine biology, but for our search for life beyond Earth. Think about it. If life can thrive without sunlight, in extreme pressure and toxic conditions, what does that mean for other planets and moons in our solar system? Places like Europa, Jupiter's icy moon, are thought to have a liquid water ocean beneath a thick crust of ice. It's dark, it's cold, and it might have hydrothermal vents just like those in the Mariana Trench. The discovery of chemosynthesis here on Earth gives us a credible, scientific reason to believe that life could exist in those dark, alien oceans. The abyss isn't just a deep trench, it's a blueprint for extraterrestrial life. Furthermore, the genetic discoveries are just as startling. The microbes living in the trench possess unique genes that allow them to process heavy metals, survive insane pressure, and even consume hydrocarbons, the components of oil and gas. Scientists are now studying these extremophiles for potential breakthroughs in medicine, bioremediation, using life to clean up pollution, and even the development of new industrial enzymes that can function under extreme conditions. The secrets of the deep could hold the keys to solving some of our biggest challenges on the surface. The abyss below is no longer seen as a void. It is a cradle of life, a living laboratory demonstrating nature's incredible ingenuity and resilience. It inks a reminder that our planet is full of wonders we are only just beginning to understand. Every new dive, every new sample, brings back more questions than answers, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. The strange, alien life of the Mariana Trench shows us that life is not a fragile flame easily extinguished, but a tenacious force that adapts, evolves, and flourishes in ways we never thought possible. The deepest, darkest corners of our own world have become our greatest source of hope in the search for life elsewhere. So the next time you look out at the ocean, remember what lies beneath. It's not just water. It's a hidden universe, a world of darkness and pressure that has birthed some of the most extraordinary life forms imaginable. The abyss is a testament to the fact that there is always more to discover, and the greatest mysteries might be right here, waiting for us on planet Earth. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey to the bottom of the sea. If you were as amazed by this as we were, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the mysteries of our world, and let us know in the comments what you think. Could life like this exist on other planets? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious.